Okay, I'm the County Police Commander Kisii, Mr. Charles Kasese. Since morning, we were engaging protesters. They were moving all over the streets, but we have managed. We have managed to restore normalcy, but we had all day, about 8 hours engagement with them. They were running up and down, barricading roads, stoning motor vehicles, damaging. And they went to an extent of they wanted to come to storm into our police station, but we managed to repulse them. And also they wanted to get access into KCB Bank, but also we managed to repulse. Some of them were injured during the altercations, and we managed to arrest more than 20 protesters. So far, normalcy has been returned, but no major incident that has been reported so far. Yes. We also have information which we are yet to investigate. The CCIO here is yet to investigate is that there were some politicians who have sponsored this mandamano, and we are doing investigation, and if we get evidence that we are connected, there will be action will be taken against them. Yes.
Are there any major injuries that have been reported?
So far, no injuries is reported, but we are yet to go to hospital. Whether there are people who are injured, we shall get such information, and we shall account for that. Yes.
Ndio tunaomba mimi kama sio maaskari labda ningekuwa mahali pengine, because wamenigonga jiwe kutoka nyuma ikitarget maaskari. So naomba vijana wetu watulie, walete amani. What we need is peace. Kenya wanaharibu ni mali yao. Kitu wanafanya ni kuharibu mali yao. Naomba tu vijana warudi nyumbani, watulie. Hiyo mambo ingine itaangaliwa. Na naomba wale viongozi ambao wanajaribu kuincite vijana kufanya violence waache. Saa hizi kura zimeisha, wacha watu wafanye maendeleo. Hiyo ndio ombi langu kwa wananchi.